What is up, guys? It's your boy, No Risk, No Premium, back with another episode of the 2 Minute Drill, guys. Today we had 397 hold very nicely. However, very much a boring day. If you see, day ended up 65 cents, so a very uneventful day, especially with Powell's testimony. I mean, look at this ugly range. Is that expected, especially after what? A huge move off of 408, right? If we just zoom back over here. Okay, we can see off this 408, we had a continuation down. Now we base. So tomorrow's gonna be interesting. And why is tomorrow gonna be interesting? Tomorrow we have jobless claims. If you listen to the Fed's testimony today, if you listen to Jerome Powell, he said over and over and over and over discussing what the jobs market. So do you think anything that has to do with jobs is pretty fucking important? Abso-fucking-lutely. Tomorrow we have jobless. Friday we have unemployment report. Okay, so you better wake up early and get that. If you're in the Wolves of Wealth community with us in our Discord, we will be live on Zoom in the pre-market huddle, dissecting the data, dissecting the move and the reaction. Guys, I don't give a fuck what the data comes in at. I could give a shit. All you need to do is trade your levels. If you would have seen yesterday, we gave it. We said, look at this 397. Okay, and look, we said we didn't get back through 399. I wanted 402 to take the reject, but we were rejecting the 399. So tomorrow I'm going to expect this. It really depends. We're either going to gap up or more than likely gap down. I think this data will move us enough to likely get out of this range. First things first, I want to just zoom out and just see, look where we held, right? Look what we held today. Okay, on our pullback, that 397 was big, but we closed above the 61.8. So is this going to be our little relief bounce? It could be. We have to get above 399,400. Okay, if we do get above 399,400, I'm going to target, okay, this huge 401 to 402 level, most definitely. Okay, I want to see the reaction there. More than likely, I think it'd be a good spot if we get some exhaustion up there, or maybe some bearish divergence on the RSI to take the reject. If we break in a hold above 402, we're likely going back to this 404. You could see that there is going to be some supply left up there. There might be some sellers left over that want to join in on the action. So let's see. Scenario one, we gap up, reject 402. If we break and hold, right, break, nice back test and go up, you're going to want to look to ride calls all the way to 404. Okay, but this reject could be a very nice reject tomorrow. Now, if we gap down through 396, we're going to 393. We are going to test the previous week low. Okay, absolutely. I think there might be a pit stop right here at the golden zone, the 78.6. But ultimately, looking at this daily chart, if we gap down tomorrow, I would more than likely think we just come and fill, right, this demand, this imbalance down here, right? I more than likely have some people left behind down here. Plus, we have the 200-day moving average. Now, you can take a bounce down here, and you better be quick with it. I think enough of this demand has been eaten on this slow grind lower, right? We have 1, 2, 3 touches down here. So I would look for a very small bounce, more likely go to look for a reject, maybe a bounce back to 395 and then a reject down. That's scenario two. Scenario one, jobs come in. However, I don't give a fuck, but we gap up. You want to see we get to 399, look for 402 reject. You want to break and hold a back test of 402 to take us to 404 if you want to get long. If we gap down, we have to get through 397. If we close through, or if we open through 397, you're going to target the 200-day moving average about 393. Look at 393.50. You can take a bounce there. Break and hold below is going to take us down to 387 though. All right, guys. First things first, wake up early, get your levels right, and don't do anything fucking stupid. We'll see you bright and early. Peace.